Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to download and install Reelshort application on your smartphone. So if you use iPhone, then go to iOS, and if you use Android, then go to Google Play Store. So you can see this is the Google Play Store app, so you need to tap here and then tap on the Google Play Store and tap the word Reelshort. Okay, and you can see the first option, reel stream, drama, and TV. So not enough time to finish a movie, try Reelshort. Every second is a drama. So you can watch the short drama, short reel here. So it's really amazing application. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the install button, and it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.